Hey there, welcome back to my channel. So, today's video is all about making Google Chrome your default browser on Windows 11. It's super easy and simple, so let's dive right in. First, go to your Start menu and open up the Windows 11 settings. From there, click on Apps, and then Default Apps. Scroll down until you see Microsoft Edge, which is the default browser for Windows 11. Click on Microsoft Edge and then scroll down to the section with the extensions. The ones we're interested in are HTTP and HTTPS, so click on those. You'll see an option to check it out or switch anyway. Click on Switch Anyway, and then select Google Chrome as your default browser. Repeat the same process for both HTTP and HTTPS, and voila! You've successfully changed your default browser to Google Chrome. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video before you go.